step back as the students will move to the auditorium.
Very, very happy 80th Independence Day, all of us. And it's really a privilege to be a witness to this wonderful, wonderful day. I thank my friend and my well-wisher, Anjali, Sudhita, Arunda, Joitadi, and all of you, all my dadas and didis, for me to come here to this wonderful school. I have been studying at South Point High School from nursery to class 12, and we were so many. In one classes we were 80 students, and sections were also like, I have been studying at H. And lot of classes, and we were so many, and we used to have large classrooms. And English class, we have been studying together. And Mr. Guha, he used to take our English classes. And it's really, whenever I'm in the school, I find myself to be a little girl studying and getting bolted by my teachers and everything, for everything. And for my school, I have been like this. এত কিছু হয়েছি, সব কিছু আমার স্কুলের জন্য। এখান থেকেও যে বাচ্চারা চলে যাবে, they will be thinking that I am what I have been fed by my school. So it's really a wonderful occasion. And স্বাধীনতা সম্পর্কে আপনারা নিশ্চয়ই জানেন, এত শহীদ যারা হাসতে হাসতে হাসির দড়ি গলায় নিয়েছিলেন। Not only for this day, we will be remembering those big, those respected, the honorable martyrs from whom we have got our independence. And it's really an insult for the past governments, what they have done. We should remember them, and then we should proceed. So we are proceeding with all together. So togetherness should always be there. বাংলায় একটা কথা আছে, সঙ্গে থাকা। এখানে সবাই বাংলা বোঝেন? With me and সঙ্গে থাকা হচ্ছে, সঙ্গে থাকে হৃদয়, পাশে থাকা হচ্ছে পাশে হাত। এই হাতটা না থাকলেও আমরা চলতে পারি, কিন্তু সঙ্গে থাকে হৃদয়। হৃদয় বন্ধ হয়ে গেলে আর কিছু থাকে না। So we should be like soulmates, all of us. If we are soulmates, then only we are together. So with this wonderful note, I do hereby conclude my being with you. আপনারা ভালো থাকবেন, আপনারা সুন্দর থাকবেন, আত্মসম্মানের self-esteem is absolutely needed in today's.
As sir is felicitated, thank you so much, sir, for joining us here today.
is SPK Jain Futuristic Academy, which is a wonderful school based on very varied educational principles and catering to the educational needs of those who need it most. I have heard something about the school and I am told this is one of the finest schools in the whole country. And I am really grateful to the management of the school for building up such a school and giving monetary education to the students of the school in such a beautiful way.
Let's have a bigger round of applause for our very own Mr. Sunil Kumar.
School is more engaged in making a good human being. Its aim is to convert and make these children a better citizen and a better human being, rather than this is all right, one student become a good lawyer, good doctor, good engineer, but if he is not a good human being, then the soul has gone. So this school is trying to put the soul, which is very much required for a better and improved version of every person who excels in the profession. So this school is trying hard, for which really I am grateful. Patwa is trying his best, and the school management is trying its best to put that element of human being which is required, that element of passion that is for removal of poverty and spreading education, that is the basic thing for our society. One thing more really, which as I am the alumnus of this Sabha school, Justice Jain Vidyalaya, and I feel proud that I had been the student of the school. There I studied from class 9 to...
Thank you so much for gracing our stage, ma'am. We are honored. Is an absolute right, or should it also come with certain responsibilities? What do you
Both, because the freedom of speech, it is a right. We needed it for some.
जो हम लेते हैं, हर सपना जो हम देखते हैं, वो किसी ऐसे इंसान की दी हुई भेंट है जिससे अपने परिवार से ज्यादा देश की सीमाओं पर खड़े रहना पसंद है। और आज कारगिल विजय दिवस और स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर उन सभी जवानों को और उनके परिवारों के बलिदान को झुककर सलाम करें।
এই এসপিকে জেন ফিউচারিস্টিক একাডেমি এত সুন্দর দেখতে, এত সুন্দর ওরা, এটা একটা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল স্কুল, তার সত্ত্বেও ওরা মার্জিনালাইজড যারা প্রান্তিক বাচ্চাদের ওরা পড়ান। একজন শাশুড়ি আছেন, তিনি দায়িত্ব নিয়েছেন। সো ইটস এ গ্রেট থিং যে এই এত সুন্দর স্কুলে তারাও পড়ছে। তো এটা একটা খুব ভালো। আর দাদা কি নাম আপনার? সুধীর দা যে স্কুল, সুধীর দাও আমার ওখানে, আমার টালিগঞ্জ কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সিতে উনি একটা স্কুল করবেন বলছেন প্রান্তিক বাচ্চাদের জন্য। এটাও একটা দারুণ সংবাদ আপনাদের জন্য। তো আমি চেষ্টা করেছিলাম যে টালিগঞ্জে মানে আমাদের স্কুল টুলগুলো খুব খারাপ অবস্থায় পড়ে রয়েছে, সেগুলো একটু মডার্ন স্কুল কি করে করা যায়। তার মধ্যে যদি এটা সত্যি মডার্ন স্কুল হয়ে যায় তা একটা দারুণ ব্যাপার হবে। অ্যান্ড স্কুল এখান থেকেই তো বাচ্চাদের গাঁথনিটা শুরু হয়, তো সেই গাঁথনিটা এখানে খুব ভালো হচ্ছে এবং বাচ্চারা, অনেক বাচ্চা এখানে পড়ে। আমি তাদের অনেক আশীর্বাদ করছি, ভালো করে আপনারা এখানে পড়াশোনা করে ভবিষ্যতে এই স্কুলের মুখ উজ্জ্বল করবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।
This Independence Day is to be remembered with this, that we have a responsibility to keep it, and we have to maintain equality between all classless society, and there should not be any marginal class, and all should be equal, and for that everyone should work hard and harder for achieving this. Only thereafter it will be a true independence. That's all.
Today is a day of celebration for independence, for spirit of freedom. We must remember today the struggles which went behind our freedom. Because freedom was not won in a day. It was a result of a continuous struggle, continuous fight on principles. We should remember those principles on which we fought for our freedom. That is most important. The citizens' rights have been consolidated, and the citizens have yet to fight for the further consolidation of their rights. No right is ever consolidated without a fight. It was not done during freedom. It cannot be done even in a democratic state. You have to fight for your rights.
I know at this day and age to you how much relevant it is. There are at times when I see streaks of humanity and empathy in you, I feel proud, and I feel that we as educationists are probably doing our one bit towards creating good citizens, responsible citizens for the nation. I do not know whether all of you have read, it is there in your Hindi curriculum and eventually you will, but there are these famous lines written by a very famous Hindi poet, Vyasji, and the poem was called Khuni Hastakshar. I'm sure many parents would have read that poem in their school syllabus as well. So the poem goes like, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जो आ सके देश के काम नहीं।